Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Samsung TV without PIN. Let's go. Open Smart Hub. Settings. All settings. General. Reset. If you have a remote without numbers, use SmartThings app. Enter 0000. If you have forgotten the PIN code, do a reset. Enter mute 824 power. After that, your PIN code will be 0000. Open General, reset, enter 0000. That's it. Now you know how to reset Samsung TV without PIN. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.